Imagine working harder than ever, putting in extra hours, getting promoted. Yet somehow, every year, life feels more expensive. Your paycheck grows, but your savings don't. Groceries cost more. Rent keeps rising. Healthcare becomes more expensive. And buying a home feels further away than ever before. So what's really happening? Why are millions of hardworking Americans feeling financially stuck despite earning more than ever? Today, we'll uncover why the American middle class is shrinking, and more importantly, what you can do to avoid falling into the same trap. Let's begin. For decades, the middle class was considered the backbone of America. A stable job could provide a comfortable home, support a family, and even leave enough money for retirement. But today's reality looks very different. The cost of housing has climbed dramatically in many cities. Healthcare expenses continue to rise. Groceries, insurance, transportation, and childcare now consume a much larger portion of household budgets than they did years ago. Even when salaries increase, many families feel like they're running in place because their everyday expenses are rising just as fast, or even faster. This is why many people feel they're working harder, but getting nowhere. There's another challenge that often goes unnoticed. It's called lifestyle inflation. When people receive a raise, many immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A more expensive apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, luxury vacations, dining out more often. Instead of using extra income to build wealth, they increase monthly expenses. The result? Higher income, but little financial progress. Wealth isn't determined only by how much you earn. It's determined by how much you keep and how wisely you use it. One of the biggest differences between wealthy families and struggling families isn't income. It's ownership. Many wealthy individuals own businesses, stocks, rental properties, and other investments that have the potential to grow over time. Meanwhile, many middle-class households rely almost entirely on a paycheck. If that paycheck stops, financial pressure begins almost immediately. Building even one additional source of income can reduce that risk and create more financial stability over time. Schools teach many valuable subjects, but very few teach personal finance. Many adults enter the workforce without understanding budgeting, investing, retirement planning, or how compound growth works. As a result, people often learn about money only after making expensive mistakes. Financial education doesn't guarantee wealth, but it helps people make better decisions. And over many years, better decisions can lead to better financial outcomes. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. Start with simple habits. Track your spending. Build an emergency fund. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest consistently if it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Keep learning about money. Even small improvements made every month can have a meaningful impact over time. Building wealth is usually a marathon, not a sprint. The middle class isn't disappearing because people have stopped working hard. For many families, the financial environment has become more challenging, but understanding how money works gives you a better chance of making informed decisions. The sooner you start learning, the sooner you can start building a stronger financial future. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to US Finance Hub for weekly finance documentaries, investing insights, and practical money strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.